Cutting a piece of rubber straight. Going to use a vice grip. Has anyone tried to cut a piece of rubber? This is from a tire. We'll know how hard it is to get a nice straight line anyways. So there's a little curve there I want to straighten out. So what I'm going to do is put in the vise, tighten it up, and get the part leveled off with the top of the vise. If I want to do the end cut, I could use the side, tighten it up, and I'm going to use just a hacksaw or whatever you have in hand to cut. Saw is better than a knife in my opinion, but do not use an angle grinder because it makes a mess. Okay, I tightened it up in the vise. As you can see, I have a little bit sticking out that I want to cut off here. And I'm just going to use the, let's see here, got a hacksaw here. You can use the bottom of or the top of the vise blades, clamps, and you can start cutting this off. And at least you get a nice straight line, which I need for my impeller mod for my snowblower. Now I never tried it on such a little piece that I'll have to cut, but we'll see how it goes. I'm going to start on this end, and I'm actually going to just keep it flush with my vise. It's actually working really well. Once you get enough to grab, you can start grabbing that and get it taut so it can cut off nice. And there it is. Easy peasy, what a sleazy. And let's see what we got here. There it is. Fairly straight. Let's get it going. Let's see how straight this is. As AV would say it, good enough for the women I go out with.